All right, I'm gonna get a little creative here with y'all. So I wanna show you exactly how I'm gonna go through creating this video for Flipgrid using my video right here. All right. So step one, you're gonna read this, make sure you understand the requirements. I'm gonna choose to pitch the UI UX designer and also content specialist. So those are the two that I am choosing. You see the lighting in the background. So I have two lights set up here so I can be brighter in my picture. And they're just basic lights. I've just taken the cover off of. All right, so however you log in and then record your response, that's what you're gonna do. All right. So this is me, but I prefer the way I look to me. So I am going to click on mirror video. So this kind of looks like me a little bit more. And then also I'm going to use this effects button and I am going to go to filters. And then I'm going to choose a black and white option. There's two black and white options. This one's a little bit stark. It's still awesome, but I'm going to use this one a little bit darker. So I have my black and white chosen because that's what I like. And then I am going to go ahead and go back from filters, use this back button. And I am going to add text. I'm going to choose neon because I like that. I am going to type my name. And I'm just going to minimize this. It just says close. And it gives me access to click and drag. All right, so I'm going to position myself so I am on the side so that when I'm talking, I can look at the camera and still be able to be on this side. And then I'm kind of looking towards whatever picture I'm going to put up. All right, so I move that. And so like this, you can just click and drag anywhere you want. I like it here. And then click anywhere else on the screen. And then you're ready to record the first part. And then we're going to put pause. All right. Hi, my name is Sara Strom, and I'd love to be a part of your team. Okay, and you see I clicked pause, and then the record button appears again. So now I am going to click effects again. I was working with text before, so I need to get back to the choices. And I'm going to choose to add a photo. And it comes up with add a custom sticker, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to click this. It needs to be in a PNG or a JPEG format. And I am going to go to web design. Oh wait, actually I need to make sure I'm in my regular file folder here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to web design. And I've saved it in roles, I think here. Yep, roles in web design. So that's all set for me. Okay, you'll want to make sure it's in an accessible folder. So you might want to create a folder in your desktop, on your desktop, or something that's quicker. All right, so I have already saved my JPEGs. I just went to the web and did a search for UI UX designer and clicked image and then found these images, right-clicked the image and clicked save as and saved it to this area. All right, I think y'all know how to do that. If you don't, you can meet with me separately. Okay, so I'm gonna click this, click open, and here it appears on my screen. All right, I want to keep my name up there so whoever is going to try to recruit me, they can remember my name. All right, and I'm going to add the UX UI photo as well. And now it's just going to remember what folder I was in. Click UX designer image as well. Okay, and this is all one, of course, UX UI designer, but I want to have two pictures. All right, I also want to, if it's not obvious like this, where it says UI UX, I want you to type in the text, and I'm going to show you how to do that next if you don't remember. All right, so now I have put these pictures up there, and it's kind of just like a pause in the video, absolutely a pause, but it doesn't show any kind of pause when I start again. So now I'm just going to try to pick up where I left off, okay? I would like to fill the role of UI UX designer because I have this strong ability to create wireframes, talk to my clients about their ideas, implement those into the wireframes, and then talk with our developers in order to create the desire of our customer. I'm also willing to listen to the team to use different colors and insights they have to share with me to help put up the best website we can as a team. All right, so then I click that little double dash for pause. And now I'm going to just simply click on this image and delete it. Click on this image and delete it. And then I'm going to add a new sticker. Go ahead and go to photo, click on sticker. And I'm going to use this image for my content specialist pitch. Okay, since it doesn't say content specialist, I'm just going to talk to this. I'm going to reposition my picture. I'm going to click into the frame, and then I'm going to add text again. All right, so I'm going to choose typewriter. I'm going to type in the role name. It's very important you have the role name. Clicking it, I'm going to resize it. Sometimes if you move it a little bit incorrectly, it'll flip upside down, but you'll figure that out. All right, so now I have content specialist nice and clear. If you want, you can go in and change the font. You can change the color of the font. You can change the outlining stroke. You can change the background. I think that white is a little stark, so I'm going to click on background. And I'm going to choose yellow. So that'll stand out, and it kind of goes with that green. So, all right, so now I'm ready to record again. I want to get in my brain what I want to talk about in my pitch to become a content specialist, and then I'll click record. Another role that I think I would be a quality teammate in is being a content specialist. And the reason why is because I'm a strong writer. I can take ideas and conceptualize them and then create them into quality text for our clients. Okay, so something like that. And then I'll go ahead and delete these. And then just go ahead and give my closing pitch. Something about teamwork. You might want to add another picture here. You might want to change something, add something to your text. It's totally up to you. Okay, here's where you can be creative. Lots of options. I hope to be a part of your team. Sara Strom. And then you know what? I just thought, you know what? Now I should put it up again. I should put UI UX designer and content specialist at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am going to go back to text, and I'm going to stick with my typewriter text, and I'm going to just put a dash UI UX, and then also content specialist. Okay, so I'm re-mentioning the two that I would like. If I don't like the look of the alignment here in middle, I can click align and go flush left. All right. And again, to keep it consistent, I'm going to back up on the alignment and go to the background color and go to that yellow again. Okay. And then I'll record. For the positions of UI UX designer or for the position of content specialist. I look forward to being a part of your team. All right, then I'm done. So I can go and erase this if I want. It doesn't really matter. Or you know what I can do is smile again and click it just like it is and have my name up there, or just go on. So I think, that's good. So I'm going to go on. So I'm going to click next.
Hi, my name is Sara Strom.
And now it's loading.
To be a part of your team.
And now you can watch it and see how it looks.
I would like to fill the role of UI UX designer.
Okay, then we've already watched this. Great. And now I'm going to press next. Put my display name, and for title, I would like you to put in UI, UX, or whatever 2 roles you're going for. I want you to put them in here, okay? So content specialist. And it doesn't look like it allows me to really put a enter, a return, so I can go to the next line. So I'm going to go ahead and go like this. Okay. So content specialist, okay, okay, so those are the 2 roles I'm going for. So I want you to list those within the title. All right, so I'm gonna select a frame because I don't like what's showing here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select a frame, and probably be smartest to select a frame over here because it lists the 2 things that I have going on there. You'll capture the little funny faces that you make when you talk, but that's okay. All right, so we'll just go ahead and confirm that. It still isn't great. So I could upload a photo, okay? So let's say I could create my own photo that has 2 of these linked, or I can just click the one that I want most, okay? So I want the UI UX designer first. And I'm just going to click this and then confirm that. All right. Oh, and because I'm going to I'll not mirror the selfie. Okay. Need to. Oh, cool. And I can I can change my name here to a different size. Perfect. Oh, this is fun. And then I'm going to change my color to blue so you can see it. Yay. Okay. So as you can see, there's tons of options here. You should work on creating something cool for this as well. All right, so probably what would be best is somehow create an image here with both of your options for the 2 roles that you're pitching to earn, and include your name as well. All right, so I'm going to click submit. It's going to take a little bit to create the video. And remember, do not close the app while that's happening. All right, success. And then I'll go ahead and complete that. All right, so now I can see here, this is active. I'll go ahead and leave that up if people want to see it now. And I'll go ahead and upload this video as well to our folder. All right, so if for some reason you wanted to do some extra work, you could download this and bring it into another program to edit it, but I'd much rather just do it all here. All right, so now I am going to log out, and that is it. You guys know how to log out. There we go. All right, thanks for watching this tutorial. Have fun creating this, and you know what? Push yourself to be excellent. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.